Yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I'm filming this on Christmas Eve after work. Busy day in the salon, but I only work till 3. Yay! So anyway, I have a little unboxing because I got myself a Christmas present. Doesn't need to be Christmas for me to buy myself a present, but this time it was. So Merry Christmas. When this is uploaded, it will be Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas to all. Anyway, so I have this. It is from Makartt. So let's see what I got. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open it up upside down because what's on the other side? My address. You guys don't need to see that. And as you can see, I'm wearing my tacky Christmas sweater. I did not wear it to work because I didn't think about it this morning. I was in a rush. But I'm wearing it tonight for Christmas Eve festivities. So here we go. Open the little box. Garbage and stuff. Look, ooh, stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, what did I get? What did I get? Ooh, lashes. More lashes, nails. Something else. Something else. And paper. Paper's no fun. Okay. So here we go. Got lots of goodies. I ran out of room because I just have to have everything on my desk. Okay. So we'll start with the lashes. Those are massive. Those look glorious. I don't wear lashes very often. I wish I took the time to do them daily. But these look so fun. So it came in a 2-pack. The little kit that I got. So I have these. Let's see, was there a name on it? Clout and CEO. So those are the two that I got. See? Clout. So CEO are those massive, thick, glorious ones. These are still massive. This is Clout. And they're not as bushy, but they look cool. Nice and fluffy. Those are nice. Okay, and there's this nice little case. Charmed and Armed. So the lash kit came with this cute little clear bag. Iridescent. That is cute. That's a nice bag. Oh, I like that. So we'll just put those in there. See what else. Charmed and Armed black lash liner adhesive. Oh, I'm excited to try that. Because the lash liner adhesive I've tried before isn't very good. So I will let you know. Or heck, I will do a video on it. Let me know down below if you wanted me to do a review video on the lashes. Let me know below. Am I good at lashes? No. So it could be quite humorous for you to watch me try and put those on. So let me know. And it looks like tweezers. Oh, those look nice. Charmed and Armed. So that was part of the lash kit. Ooh, I like that. Okay, let me get it out of the little plastic sleeve. Don't need that. A little rubber band thing. Ooh, those are nice. So yeah, let me know if you want me to try that little kit on film. Comment below. Oh, it comes right out of the container. That's cute. Pop it back in. But I like it. What else? Just a couple nails. I'm going on vacation in January. Hawaii. Yes. So I'm going to go to Oahu with my husband and daughter. These may be the ones. These look like vacation nails, don't they? Yes. So these are cute. I wanted to try the Makartt press-ons. I have some super long ones. They're like longer than this. But those are nice and long too. Ooh, those are so pretty. So this is from the Beach Babe kit. Those are beautiful. And then I can't, have to have some sort of animal print, right? This is the awesome color. So that's a good size. These are nice and long. I don't think I can work in those, but maybe those should be vacation nails, right? Those are cute, but I can always cut them down. But I love these. Those are so pretty. So that is it for my Makartt stuff. But in my little plastic box, I used to have stuff in it for work. So it says clean and my name on it. But the box comes in handy. It has a little handle. Look at that. So anyway, let's see what I got in my box. I ordered from Dashing Diva and Static Nails, and I had an Avon order, and I got some of their stuff. So just two little things from them. So let's start and see what's in here. So these are from Avon. They only had 2 of nail stickers. So it's the gel nail stickers. So see, but aren't those cute? So this one, if you could, oh, there you go. I think you can see that. That's pretty. Nice, simple sparkles and snowflakes or stars. That's cute. And then we have this one. So similar design, just red and gold themed. Locket. So those would go good together. And then I got some Dashing Diva ones. So more of these. I do have a review video on those. I like them. They're just a lot thicker than Color Street. So a little harder to shape to your nail, but I did like them. So this looked fun. This one is really pretty. There. And I could not resist this one. Oh, I'm just trying to knock my water over, don't mind me. Isn't that awesome? Sparkles and bats. So pastel and black, but oh, love these. I love that there's pastel and bats. Oh my God. So I need to put those on soon. And then these I thought were pretty. Pretty, huh? And then I got these adhesive tabs from Dashing Diva. I'm curious about these, so I will let you know. Maybe I'll do a wear test with these and a set of press-on nails, since I have Kiss press-on nails with just glue, and the glue I used was my Luxie brush-on nail glue. I like that one. I do like the Kiss glue that you can get for $1 at the dollar store too. So, and I thought these were pretty. Some sparkle nail strips. These are also Dashing Diva. And I'm finally going to try the static nails. So I put an order in, this is a while ago, and I just realized I had stashed them away in this little box. So here is some pink, what is that, coffin? Coffin shape. Reusable pop-on manicure. So these are so pretty. And then I got several others, so let's just take them out. Look at that. So I got like 5 boxes. So you already saw the coffin pink and sparkle with iridescent sparkles. I've got black stiletto matte. Love that. And here is more coffin iridescent, like oranges and pinks. So pretty. And then a black glossy stiletto. And I thought these were cute since I'm trying to stick with short to medium right now until my nails fully grow back. They're doing a whole lot better. But I thought these short square ones were super cute. So I liked the selection. So go check them out. I'll put the link down below. So this is my purchase. Purchased with my own money. And I love them. So lots of fun stuff to try. So I have several press-on nails, like I need any more. But yeah, so I'm going to have to figure out which ones I want to wear on vacation. These so far are still my favorite. These two, the static nail one and this one. Love those two. Love the rest, but you know. Oh, let me see. Since I'm just gabbering on about press-on nails. So the Makartt. Oh, I have 2 more hiding away that I got a while ago. Look how long those are. Rose Glitz Makartt Pump Ups. Those are so long. Love them. And then these seem to be just as long as this. So this is the All Nighter collection. Those are pretty. I love long, and this one has a sparkle. Ooh. It's black and shiny, but there's a little bit of a glitter in the black. Those are so awesome. So that's it. Aren't they so, those are glorious. Which ones should I do for vacation? So anyway, that's it. That's just my dilemma, right? So have a happy holiday. As you can see, I'm happy, and we didn't even get to Christmas and presents. These are just what I've, you know, got for myself. So that is it. Short and sweet video for Christmas. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. And that's it for me for today. So give me a nice thumbs up, like this video. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a separate video where you can see my little face and me attempt to put lashes on. It should be interesting. So let me know down below if you want a little review and try on with the lash kit that I got. Let me know. Comment below. And hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you all. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. I think I'm sticking to Tuesdays and Saturdays. I'm just going to get creative with my little flanges because the gel polish so far is a no-go on my own fingers. So if I glove up and wear and do paint press-ons, I can do that. But I don't know if I can put them on my fingers afterwards. So I don't know because I get a reaction. So, ugh, it's bad. So anyway, that's it. And see you next time. Toodaloo.